Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Morning.
Ma'am.
Good
Excuse me,
morning, ma'am.
Yes, 9th C, maximum notebooks came. 9th B, very few notebooks came. Right? 9th B, what happened? Why such so few? 9th
Ma'am, because students only attend from 9 to B. Ma'am, there is a huge difference in the strength of 9 to B and 9.
there is a strength, na? Students don't attend classes from 9th B. That's what you're trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Very bad. Very bad.
excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Piche.
Ma'am, all my work is complete, but still you have marked incomplete work.
It is not possible that if all your
Yes.
work is
I messaged you also yesterday.
I'll just check, send the PDF again. I'll tell you what is missing.
Ma'am.
That boy, what is his name? Dhananjay? Dhananjay, are you there? You should tally your work with his work. I'll tell him to post his work also on the group. Acha, Peter, have you checked out for the, just send me a PDF, huh? I'll just check out in that. Acha, Piche,
Ma'am, I have
बताइए.
a doubt.
Yes, did you check out for the syllabus of UTs? The one which was posted on the groups?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
written determines and article also in this syllabus and error deductions.
Determiners we have already done. Determiners we have already done. सबसे पहले करा था
Yes, ma'am.
quantify article.
Member
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So,
member deduction.
Deduction
member
नहीं.
error deduction and article.
It is not deduction.
article writing.
It is detection, not deduction. Okay, error detection. Error detection में कुछ नहीं है. Supposing I write Ram have a car. So what is the error in this?
Ma'am, have.
Ma'am,
Have.
in place of have, it should be has.
Should be
Has.
has.
Ma'am,
In place of
has.
this is error detection. That's all. I have an car. What is wrong?
Ma'am, and
Ma'am,
it should be a.
He has a umbrella.
Ma'am, A is wrong.
Ma'am, it should be an.
ma'am, in place of it should be an.
That word is not error deduction, it is error detection. मतलब गलती ढूंढो, error detect करो. Find out the mistake like you have just done. This is called error detection. Okay, today we're going to do articles. I'll give you 2 minutes. जल्दी से पढ़ो पहले इसको. Format of an article and things to remember. Just read this. Format of an article and things to remember. Only read 2 things. Let me explain it to you. Read and raise your hands so that I can start explaining.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, can you please tell the pattern?
Pattern of what?
Ma'am, our unit part of English.
Have writing section which I've done with you. You've done descriptive paragraphs. We'll be doing articles. And in grammar, you will have MCQs. MCQs on determiners and modals. That is going to be the pattern. You will have
Ma'am,
MCQ.
creative and
Peter, you may get this. If you're getting an article, you'll get a topic to write. Photo milega, which I'll show you just now. And descriptive paragraph, so you know only how to write. You know, children, how to write descriptive paragraph? Good morning.
yes,
You all.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It will be simply given that write a descriptive paragraph on your best friend or your father or whatever. Article thoda sa alag hai, which I am showing it to you. Okay, article is a little different. I'm just showing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Read quickly. Format and things to remember. Jaldi padiye. Parush Daksh, why you are joining by 2 names? Parush? Parush, has he joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Parush, you're joining by two names, ऐसा क्यों?
No, ma'am, I'm joining from one name.
Let me see. There is one more Parush, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. But I'm joining from one name only.
Let him join. Who is the other Parush? Let's chat with him a little. Let's see who is there. Children read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, what you need to do is you have to give a title or a heading, which should be very eye-catching. Then introduction, you should give exposition of the topic. Matlab causes, merits, demerits, advantages, disadvantages, effects, the detail of the topic, and then the conclusion. Conclusion should always be with a suggestion or a hope. ऐसा नहीं कि वो सब कुछ खराब हो जाएगा, life is going to end, everything is going to finish. No, it should be always hopeful. The suggestion should always be hopeful. Things to remember: topic should be read carefully and understood completely. Format must be correct. Different points should be explained in separate paragraph, and the word limit should be followed. See, there is a formula for this, coder formula. Coder means see, collect the ideas. Think of all the points and collect the ideas. मतलब एकदम से लिखना start नहीं करेंगे. First, you need to collect the ideas, dear. Second is O, that is organize the ideas, put them in a proper order. Then D, make a rough draft. What will I write first? What will I write second? Then edit. You check your ideas, go through your written matter, and then you can post it. This is how, see this picture, everybody. Look at the picture. And what are the word limits? Please see the picture. First, I'll discuss with you. If you
Ma'am,
were given,
120.
how will you write this and what is the article which is mentioned? All of you, please see the picture.
Ma'am, almost one page.
Beta 120 to 150 words. I cannot say one page because that depends upon your handwriting. There are some students who in one page only write 50 words. There are others. So that you will have to decide yourself according to your handwriting. How many words you write in one line? I cannot say one page because there are some students who write 100 words in one page. There are some who will write only 40 or 50 words. Everybody has a different handwriting, no? Have you seen the picture?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Give a suitable title. Give a suitable title, children. Start. Title you know na? Heading.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, give a suitable title to this picture. Speak, bachas. Let me see.
Ma'am,
What?
chaotic traffic jam.
Pardon? Speak again.
Ma'am, chaotic traffic jam.
Okay, chaotic traffic jam. He basically wants to say when there's a lot of chaos, confusion on the roads because of a traffic jam, that is chaotic traffic jam. Good. Who else? Give me one title for this picture. See, title is very important in an article writing. Come on, give me a title.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, I'm asking everyone. Please, all of you speak up.
Traffic jam, a major problem.
Traffic jam, a major problem. Very good. Yes, children.
Ma'am, may I?
Hanji, beta, please speak.
Ma'am, overpopulation of automobile.
This is interesting. Overpopulation of automobiles. But yeah,
Ma'am, one person buys more than one car, so ma'am, it will affect the.
overpopulation. Yeah, okay, this is interesting, quite interesting. Yes. Come on, children. Some students are just mute members in the class. Never
Ma'am,
sat-
continuous holding of the vehicles.
Acha, chalo theek hai. Now tell me, children. Give me the
Ma'am, may
details. Yes, beta, speak.
Ma'am, may I?
Headache causing, ma'am, headache causing traffic jam.
Headache causing traffic jam or traffic jam causing headache? Headache causing. Acha. Okay, you mean to say such kind of a traffic jam will cause headache. Okay, theek hai. Bache, now I understood.
Ma'am,
Fine,
may I?
good. Yes,
Ma'am, reason for pollution.
very
Ma'am,
good.
it can be noise pollution. Ma'am,
Very
Ma'am, then we can say consequences of traffic jam.
consequences of traffic jam. Okay, fine. Let us take it. Very nice.
Ma'am, a busy day.
A busy day. Yes, this is also nice. It's a busy day. It's clear
Ma'am,
from the
traffic jam and us.
okay, good. Now, can we have some details? What all we'll write in this article? Tell. Give me details. What all will we write in such an article? You've already given some points. We have to only go into details and elaborate those points. First, that's it. Tell me, children. First, you people tell me, then I'll show you how this article has been written. Come on, start speaking. What all will you write to describe this picture?
ma'am, problem of big cities.
See, title we've already done. Very good. Now give me details. Detail of the article. First part is already done. Title. Now give the introduction. Introduction paragraph of the book.
Ma'am, the massive use of vehicles, even for covering short distances, can be a problem for traffic jam.
Very good. She's given an introduction in a very nice way. Others also add up it up. Very nice.
Ma'am, may I?
Speak, beta.
Ma'am, many people now shifting to using public transport will help to reduce the number of vehicles on the road, which will help in reducing the traffic jam.
Okay, this is suggestions. Ye part mein. Suggestions will come at the end. Okay. First, talk about the problems. First, talk about the problems. Beta, you are absolutely right, my child, the one who spoke just now. But the only thing is, suggestions at the end. Abhi, just talk about problems first. Speak, speak.
Traffic is one of the major problems in city, and due to this, people experience delays for their important work.
Yes, very good. Very nice. People get late for their work. Very nice. Yes, children, continue.
Ma'am, most of the people do not follow traffic instructions and traffic lights. That can also be a cause for the traffic jam.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is absolutely correct. Very nice. Do you drive? Scooty or something? That is why you people have experienced that. It is actually because people don't follow traffic rules. The confusion starts there, beta. People don't follow traffic rules. Very nice. Good. Now, come on, what else problems, causes you've already given me. What problems are faced by people because of this traffic issue? Let's discuss in detail about that. Yes?
Ma'am, emergency vehicles like ambulance also get delayed.
Very nice, very nice. The biggest problem, no doubt, is this one. That even the emergency vehicles like ambulance, they get stuck. And many times, many people lose their lives because of this. Delay in getting medical
Ma'am,
treatment.
noise pollution and air pollution increases.
Very good. Noise pollution and air pollution also increases. Very, very nice. Yes.
And some people have urgent work and they get late.
Yes. Some people have urgent work. They have to reach their office or they have to reach somewhere. And what happens is they get late. Very nice. Okay. More problems faced. Tell me, children.
Ma'am, ambulance. Ma'am, the life of patient.
Yes. We just talked about ambulance. It is so risky. The life of patients is at risk. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So what are the suggestions? Now solution and suggestions. Last
Ma'am,
one.
first of
Ma'am,
all,
one
the
more
public
problem.
transport like
One.
buses first of all, and they should use cycle for small distances.
Yes, we should not use vehicles for small distances. We can always walk. That is a good suggestion that she's
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because first of all, it causes pollution and occupies more space.
very
We,
good. Yes, it causes pollution.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we
people
should do
should
carpool.
follow traffic rules
Flyovers
very
should be built.
strictly.
bicycle for short distances.
This is a very good suggestion. No doubt. If we have flyovers, it's going to quite help us. Like in
Ma'am, first
Bareilly,
of
Ma'am, carpool should be there.
what should be there? Carpooling.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
first of all, we should follow the
Traffic
traffic
should
signals. Ma'am,
strictly
people should follow traffic rules very
Ma'am,
strictly.
Follow traffic rules, traffic signals. Very nice. That is one of the causes. Good. Next.
Ma'am, we should use public transport as much we can.
They should.
Ma'am, we should use public transport as much we can.
Very good. We should use public transport as much as we can. Very nice. Next.
Bicycle for
Ma'am, government should increase the facilities of public transport.
Very good. Very good. Next. I think these are sufficient. Now conclude now. How will you write very impressively your conclusion? Okay. How will you write your conclusion? बहुत अच्छा सा, something very impressive. Speak better.
Ma'am, we can ask that how can you now how will you manage the traffic
Beta, how will you write your conclusion? I want one by one to tell what will be your concluding paragraphs. Tell me quickly, then I'll show you the article which is there in the notebook. You'll get a little more idea. First, you tell me, how will you finish it?
I don't know whether it will work or not. Can I just try? Ma'am, may I?
Yes, yes, one by one, please try. Start.
Ma'am, traffic jam is a very serious issue in big cities nowadays and leads to delay and waste of time. So, serious measures should be taken by the authorities to control traffic and to encourage people to use public transport.
Very good, very good. Very nice. She's giving a suggestion and in a very soft way that authorities should do something and people should also follow the school rules. I mean, the transport.
Ma'am, now may I speak?
Yes, speak.
Ma'am, people always say that others are not following the rules. Why we are only forced to do that? So, ma'am, everyone, it starts from one and then it goes to the rest. One should follow after saying that everyone will follow and there will be no situations like that. From one, it starts with others.
Very nice. See, she says, we just say we don't follow rules because nobody else follows. That is why we also don't follow. So everybody puts it on one another, which is very bad. If everyone follows, we'll certainly get rid of such kind of a situation. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, at last I would just like to say that overall the system is good, but it still needs improvement to achieve 100% accuracy.
Very good. Very nice. It should be 100% accuracy. Anything else? Should I show you the article now, what they have written so that you can read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just show you. Okay. Read the article, what they have written. Now we'll discuss after you people read. Have you read, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
only
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the point which you had missed out? Any point which after reading you feel ki haan, we could have written this also.
Yes, very
Ma'am, that
first.
ma'am, that the peak hours are morning and
Yes, peak hours in the morning. That means we are talking about basically when children have to go to school and people have to go to office. Those are the peak hours. Fine. What else? Today I'm not telling you to write anything. However, I'll be showing you one more picture. So this is how in the UT also, if article writing comes, it will come. A picture will be shown to you and you'll have to give a suitable title and then describe it. Chalo, I'll show you. Give me 1 second.
Ma'am, is there choice given between descriptive paragraph and article?
That you will get to know when you get the UT. You have to prepare everything. How can I tell you there's a choice between something? If I tell you, then you will prepare only one thing. This too I will not tell.
Okay.
Yes, you'll have to prepare everything. Yes, this is the next article. Please see the figure. Then I'll ask you about the heading. Acha, haan, what title did you see in this? By ABC. What does by ABC mean?
ma'am,
Ma'am, it
don't
is
want.
written by ABC.
Who has
Ma'am,
written?
ABC has written this article.
So it is always better you write XYZ or ABC in place of your name when you write the article. Okay, Charlie, please go through this, then we'll discuss. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Ma'am, mislead sorrow. Misleads of overeating.
Peter, hold on. As of now, let everybody first see. Then we'll talk about the heading. First, everybody let them observe, let them read. You are supposed to read everything which is given here, then decide. Don't be so quick in it.
Ma'am, we have to do this in our notebook also.
No, nothing has to be done in the notebook today. We'll start writing from tomorrow, not today. Today we'll only
Okay,
discuss.
ma'am.
Yes, children. Now get the heading.
Ma'am, health and wealth.
Health and wealth. Very good. Health and wealth. Health is anything can be taken up. Very nice. Yes, next.
Ma'am, consequences of overeating.
Consequences of overeating. Okay, this is also interesting. Good. Next.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
who
misleads
cares?
of overeating.
Misuse of overeating. नहीं, नहीं,
Ma'am,
नहीं.
misleads. Ma'am,
Misleads. Misleads.
yes,
Fine,
ma'am.
but it's looking a little awkward. Anyways, continue. Anyone else?
Ma'am, Ma'am, who cares? obesity, Ma'am,
longer
obesity
the
a result
baseline,
of
shorter the
carelessness.
lifetime.
Yes, obesity, affected carelessness, perfect.
Ma'am, obesity, the new trouble in youngsters.
This is nice, very interesting. Obesity, a new problem in youngsters, no doubt.
Ma'am,
Good.
obesity is a problem nowadays.
Obesity, a big problem nowadays, perfect.
Ma'am, longer the waistline, shorter the lifeline.
This is your original.
No, ma'am, it is given. Yes, ma'am.
It is given, na? So don't go for something which is given, na? Plan something original, pictures.
Okay.
Very nice.
Ma'am, may I?
Start. Yes, start. Speak.
Ma'am, who cares?
Who cares? Very nice. This is something original.
Ma'am, may
and-
I?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, overeating should be over.
Overeating should be over. This is very nice. Very interesting. Overeating should be over. Very interesting. Good. Very nice, children.
Ma'am, obesity, one of the major teen problems.
Beta, make it shorter. Make it a little short. Anyways, let's move on to the first paragraph. Children, tell me.
Ma'am, a trouble for youth.
Very good. Trouble for youth. You mean obesity? Very nice. Yes, continue. The first paragraph. Let's have the problems, causes, problems. Let's talk about the causes and problems. children. Tell. What are the causes and what are the problems?
Ma'am, obesity is generally caused by consuming more calories, particularly those in fatty and sugary food, than you burn off through physical activity.
Very good. You've taken the matter from here. You can certainly take it from here. For this, it is caused by consuming extra calories. Very nice. Yes. Come on, children, tell me more causes. What are the causes? What are the causes of obesity? Lot of which food?
Ma'am, because it's the same
It
problem.
causes breathing
Ma'am,
problems.
Ma'am, more of sweets.
Ma'am, it
More of
is
Cholesterol
caused
level
by
decreases.
cholesterol level
junk food.
decreases. More of sweet, more of junk food.
Ma'am, it
Is
leads
it?
to deficiency of many nutrients in the body.
Yes, very good. It
Ma'am,
leads to
because it's a teen
People
problem, because it's
lethargic
more
and
prominent in teen.
yes, you are right. That is also one of the main problems.
Ma'am, because
Very
it is more prominent in teens, ma'am, depression is also prominent, and ma'am, depression leads to overtaking of calories. That also leads to obesity.
oh, very good. So she says basically obesity leads to depression, and in depression people get into the habit of eating more. So that again leads to obesity. Nice.
Ma'am,
Nice.
obesity.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am, may I?
please. Everybody, it's open for all. Speak.
Ma'am, eating too much and moving too little causes to obesity.
Eating too much and moving too little causes obesity. You are right, absolutely correct. These are the causes we have discussed. And problems, cause of obesity, what problems can come? Come to that now. Causes you've already
Ma'am,
given.
it can lead to many diseases.
Yes, it can lead to many diseases like,
Ma'am, hormonal disturbance.
yes, hormonal disturbances also cause obesity at times. You're absolutely right.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
want to give one cause.
you already told me about causes. Now tell me what problems arise when a person has this obesity.
Ma'am, people become lethargic and lazy.
Very good. People become lethargic and lazy.
Ma'am, obesity also leads to stress.
Yes. Now, can you give me the suggestions? Suggestions to get rid of this problem.
Ma'am, first of all, exercise.
Yes, no doubt. The best solution is exercise. Very nice.
And
Any other?
second, avoiding sweets and heavy food items.
Okay, fine. That's also
And
nice.
have a balanced diet.
Having a proportional food.
Avoid junk food.
Yes, very important. Avoid junk food.
Ma'am,
So,
increase consumption of raw salad and vegetables.
yes, very nice. Okay, fine. Chalo. Now you read. I'll show to you what they have written. You people read. Acha. Read this. Just read this, huh? Think and give me a title.
Ma'am, a healthy life question mark.
Very good. A healthy life, question mark. Very nice way of expressing. Very nice. Okay, more children, come up. Children, come on, give me.
Struggle to fit.
Struggle to be fit. Very nice. This is another one. Very
Daily.
nice. Hmm?
Exercise daily.
Exercise daily. Very nice. This also can be taken up. Very good. Very, very nice. Yes, next. Okay, let's talk about the article now. Give me the matter of the article. What all will you write?
Ma'am, I have a very interesting cause for this.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, sometimes the obesity is not, ma'am, like this. Ma'am, it is genetics also. Ma'am, some people claim that there's no point trying to lose weight. Ma'am, because it runs in their family or it's my gene.
Yes, sometimes it is genetical also. Some kind of hormonal disorders lead to obesity, no doubt. There are certain cases where we have certain hormonal disorders which are present in the family itself. So a person will suffer from this problem. Yes, what next? Give me more points on this article now. We're going into details of the article. Give me more points, children. What will happen if a person is obese? Okay, tell me suggestions. Warning, suggestions. Move on to suggestions.
Go for a walk in the morning.
Very good. Go for a walk in the morning. How many of you actually go for a walk in the morning? Tell me honestly. Tell me, who goes for a walk in the morning, or you simply get up in the morning and hold your mobile and start taking the classes? What is the routine?
I to never go, ma'am, because the society here isn't good enough.
You don't go because?
Ma'am, the society here is not good enough so that we can go for a walk.
Oh, the society is not good. Then obviously you will not like to go for a walk. What about others? Nobody is saying. Anyone goes for a walk?
In the evening.
Morning, evening, any time. Do you go? I'm not talking about playing. I'm talking about walk.
Yes,
How many?
ma'am.
You go?
Ma'am, usually there are a lot of staircases in my house. We just go climb down and climb up. That is the primary exercise we does in the morning.
Okay, so this is a compensation for walk. She's got a very nice compensation. She has found something to compensate for this. Okay, very nice. What has she done? You can easily climb your staircases up and down. That's of course a kind of physical exercise.